Hello guys, Mom is teaching all the ABCs. A. A is for apple. Apple. B is for banana. 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 C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. The dog. The dog. E is for elephant. 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 F is for fish. Fish. G is for goat. Goat. Meh. Go. Goat. Goat. Meh. H is for horsey. Yeah. H is for horsey. Yeah. Horsey. I is for insects. Insects. J is for juice. Juice. K is for key. Key. L is for leaf. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for orange. Orange. P is for pencil. Pencil. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for shoes. T is for train. Train. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for vegetables. Vegetables. W is for watermelon. 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 A is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Zebra. That's all the time. Goodbye.